the last week, we are learn material about descriptive, but today we will learn material about narrative. So, do you guys know what is narrative? No. Jadi naratif adalah. Nah, can you help me read this topic? Okay, what's your name?
Mutia, Miss.
Okay, Mutia, please.
What is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the imaginative of factual story that past tense.
Okay, so naratif adalah sebuah cerita yang menceritakan ulang tentang cerita yang imajinasi atau bisa juga benar, tapi cerita itu dari masa lalu. Okay, you get it?
Yes.
Okay, the next is genre of narrative text. Actually, so many genre in narrative, but today Miss will explain just 6 genre. The first genre is fable. So, please help me. Read. Okay, what's your name?
Rara.
Okay, Rara, please.
Semuanya, Miss.
Enggak, this one.
Fable stories that tell about animals.
Okay, thank you, Rara. Nah, fable story that tells about animal. So, all story about animal is genre?
Fable.
Okay. What example from this genre?
Si kecil.
Okay, si kancil as this pictures. Okay, the kancil and then apa lagi contohnya? Kalau dia tentang hewan, buaya.
Buaya.
Okay, that's just it.
Singa.
Oh yeah. all about animals. Okay, the next is, please help me. Okay, what's your name?
Angga, Miss.
Yeah, Angga, please. The name?
My story or my that are considered factual.
Okay, thank you, Angga. Okay, the myth is story or myth that are considered factual true. So, yeah, Habis. Okay. Jadi myth ini story yang dipercaya itu benar. Nah, contohnya itu ada yang tahu nggak? Ratu Pantai Selatan. Ya itu dianggapnya itu benar kan sama orang-orang di sana kan? Iya, jadi itu contohnya. Nah, the next itu the legend. Can you help me?
Miss.
Okay. What's your name? Okay, Dina, please.
Legend, a folk tale that tells the origin of the place.
Okay, a folk tale that tells the origin of the place. So, the legend is cerita zaman dahulu yang menceritakan tentang asal-usul suatu tempat. Jadi contohnya itu kayak The Legend of the Danau Toba, terus Surabaya, terus kayak gitu contohnya. You get it? But the genre? Yes. Okay. Okay, the next is folktale. Can I help me? Okay, what's your name? Okay, Inel, please.
Folk tale is stories told from generation to generation so they become traditions.
Okay, jadi folktale ini cerita rakyat yang diceritakannya itu berulang-ulang gitu dari zaman ke zaman ceritanya itu. Contohnya, ya, Malin Kundang ada apa lagi?
Putri.
Timur
Bomeka.
Ya, Bomer. Ya, itu no. Ya, jadi kayak Timur Mas ya bisa, Timur Mas. Ya, that's right. Okay, Yazid and the fairy tales. Okay, the fairy tales children's story that contains element of magical for the character and can provide a moral message. Jadi, fairy tale ini cerita anak-anak yang memiliki kekuatan magic gitu. Ada pesan moralnya di dalamnya. Jadi kayak contohnya tuh ya Cinderella. Nah, kayak tadi Mutia bilang apa? Bawang putih bawang merah itu juga. What? Harry Potter? Oh yes. Children's story. Children that. The story have a moral message.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. The last is love story. the opening of the story that introduce the character, times, the place, setting of the event. Jadi orientation ini adalah awal dari sebuah cerita, jadi itu menceritakan siapa sih karakternya, di mana tempatnya, dan juga kapan waktunya gitu. Jadi di sini tuh orientation itu di awal-awal paragraf gitu. Nah, ya betul. Nah, this is the second is complication. Can you help me? Okay, what's your name?
Natasha, Miss.
Okay, Natasha, please.
Complication, the structural part that explain the emergence of problems or conflict experienced by the main characters in the story.
Okay, thank you, Natasha. Okay, the complication is so simple. This is the problem or conflict in the story. The conflict or the problem of the story. Just it. Okay. The last is resolution. Can you help me? Okay. What's your name? Oh, Rara. Please, Rara.
Resolution, the final part of the stories, which contain the resolution of the conflict or problem that occurs in the story.
Oke, thank you, Rara. Nah, resolusi ini adalah juga sederhana banget. Resolusi ini adalah gimana sih karakter itu menyelesaikan masalahnya. Jadi setelah konflik, resolusi itu gimana masalah itu selesai. The main character, how the main character solve their problem. Okay. Nah, this is the example. Okay, the example, the L and the crochet part. What does that mean?
Itu semut dan belalang.
Okay, that's right. Okay, the one paragraph, one in the red, one hot summer day, the ants were working hard and the grasshopper was just relaxing. This is the
Orientation.
Okay, good job. Why the orientation? Because the character, the introduce on the paragraph. Okay. And then the second in the blue, this is yes. Good job, Rara. This is complication. Why? Because in the paragraph, the problem beginning, awal dari masalah. Ini kan katanya nih si apa namanya, si grasshopper ini nggak mau ya, males dia. Jadi the beginning of the conflict. Okay, the last paragraph, the second the sentence in the orange. This is what?
Resolution.
Okay, this is resolution. Why? Because the character solve their problem. Okay, good job, Angga. The ant gave him some food. Okay, jadi si semutnya ini ngasih makanan ke si belalang ini. Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, do you understand? Before we close, I have a game and quiz for you. So I will divide you to groups. Miss bakalan bagi kalian jadi 2 grup. This is for group 1 and this is group 2. Okay. The game is so simple.
Ada dia nggak Miss katanya? Ada dia nggak Miss?
Oh, tentu saja.
Ada Miss, ada ya Miss? Ada. Yang belakang nggak ada? Aku Miss. Bagi 2. Silver Queen bagi 2, cuma 1.
Okay. This is so easy, right?
Itu what kind of
Mice?
yeah.
Are you right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, bukan. Enggak. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, group 2. Choose what number. Hati-hati ya.
Seven.
One time. No. Yes. Oke, kayaknya ini tahu sih pemenangnya ya. Oke, group 1 choose the number. Nomor semangat lo ini ada seven. Are you right? Other teams? Plus the point. Okay. Group 2 choose. Okay, number 1. Okay, answer the question. In generic structure. The tree generic. Yes. What answer? Apa jawabannya? Orientation? Are you good? Are you right? Orientation? Okay. Nice.
Good job.
Okay, group 1. Okay, we have a need. Okay, put the character in the right picture. It's me. Wow. It's you? Okay, right. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Group 2. Six. Are you right? Okay. What's the name? What answer? Sheep? Okay. Okay, yes. Okay, satu siapa suruh Yuli? Ya lah, oke, pilih. Berapa? Oke, three. What kind of story? The story. Okay, the fable. Plus 50 poin. Okay, that's right. Okay. Group 2? What? Which number? 15? Okay. Put the character. In English? Okay, Snow White.
Empat tuh.
Aduh, tapi 1, 2, 3 itu udah bagus-bagus sampai takutnya 4.
Coba deh.
Ayo, coba.
Are you right? English?
West Sumatera.
English? Ayo, ayo. Ibrahim? No. West. Okay. We can check. Okay. Why you so confused? Okay, group 2. Which number? Hati-hati ya.
Kurang 100 poin.
Hati-hati ya.
Nggak lucu sih.
Jangan banyak.
Ayo, ayo. 14.
Dua.
Are you right?
Dua.
Yakin.
Yakin.
Thank you Tamara.
Okay, everyone, choose the number.
Aduh, hati-hati.
Hati-hati. Okay. Ya. 9. Yakin? Oke. Oke. We check. Are you in group 2? Which number? 2 menit. Okay. In the narrative text, there are problems.
Plus.
What? Class?
Yang 3 tadi aku ingat nggak?
Problem. The solution. We found the solution. This is the key. The solution here.
Jelas paragraf maksudnya. Iya. Resolution.
What?
5 detik lagi kan?
Iya.
Cepat kan?
Resolution enggak?
What? Resolution. Okay. Yakin?
Yakin, kan?
Yakin.
Kurang 10.
Okay.
nggak nih rewardnya nih?
Bisa.
Ikutlah, mana kompetitornya kalau nggak ikut.
Boleh. Ikut aja.
Iya.
No. This is in
Oke.
Miss, saya boleh tuh, Miss.
No, no.
Nggak boleh.
Anu mani.
Oh, udah nih.
Kan saya boleh belajar di sini.
Nggak boleh ikut. Udah mau masuk aja deh nih. Bentar. Kamu bentar ya. No. Nggak boleh ikut.
Miss, Miss main.
Ikut.
Mutinya tidak kondusif ya.
Mau ikut.
Cepat sih.
Agak aja.
Cepat lah, Rina. Baca lah.
Ikut.
Aku nggak ikut.
Coba.
Langsung lagi tuh ada.
Saya ikut, Miss.
Ibu ikut tuh. No. Kamu ikut. Sama aku G. Just 5. 5. This one. Sampai udah.
Iya, just fine. Just fine.
Just 5. Students. Satu lagi. Oke.
Aduh, aku 13 Ghazali loh. 13 siang.
Oke, sudah buyung. Galon.
Siapa itu?
Nanti kita tahu siapa sebenarnya.
Siapa itu?
Siapa itu? Udah, ada semua? Ada belum di sendiri. The flight. Oh, gas, dah. Ini bis, tanya
Gas apa gas?
Udah, tanya bis, tanya bis. Udah. Cuma lama. Udah masuk. Yang belakang? Udah. Oke. We start? Are you ready? Ready. Start. Ayo.
Oh.
Diam nggak? True or false? What answer? Ini cuma kotak ya? Enggak. Dua. Ini sampai salah. Oh my god. This is jahat ya. Dia ragu. Mit atau mitos adalah cerita yang dianggap benar-benar terjadi oleh masyarakat. Oke. Next. Struktur teks kreatif. Organisasi, komunikasi, dan resolusi. Teks kreatif tiga lagi. Komunikasi, dan resolusi. Oke. Next. Who the winner? Oke, next. Folklore ada cerita yang diceritakan secara turun-temurun jadi
Mitos gas astaga yang tidak sih.
nggak tahu, kita nggak tahu. Aku juga nggak tahu gitu sih. Oke, next. ada pembuatannya.
Kasih tahu.